Guys, welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to set up, fund, and purchase membership for the DAISY project. Okay, so first off, let me get to my disclaimer here, because I am not a financial advisor. Anything shown in this video is not to be considered solicitation, financial, or investment advice. I am only sharing my experience with you guys. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Do your own due diligence. Your continuation in this video indicates that you accept the risk involved and agree to these terms. All right, let's get to it, people. For this DAISY project, you are going to need several things. You are going to need, they suggest for you to get the TronLink Pro app, which is right here. Okay, make sure you go to the your app store, download that. Also, if you are possibly in a different country that this program isn't set up for yet, then you might need a VPN. And also, all this stuff will be in the description, or below or above, however it's set up for this video. But this VPN link will be in there for you to set that up. Okay, I'll show you that in a second. And is that good? Okay. And so that'd be it. So anytime that I am needing to, well, first you need to go to the program and find out what they accept for to purchase the memberships. And in this case, that would be Tron TRX. So, and that's why they suggest the TronLink Pro, because that one is set up for the Tron. So what I do is to purchase the Tron. Okay, you're going to need to, if this is your first time setting it up and you don't have Tron already, you're going to need to purchase Tron. There are several suggestions of exchanges that will also be in the description. But we use one called Who. Okay. And you can see right here, it says buy crypto. Now, when I first started, I always tell this story. When I first started in crypto, I had a problem with my bank. Every time I tried to purchase crypto, I literally had to physically go into my bank, let them know, yes, that's me trying to buy the crypto, and had to go through a whole bunch of hoops each time I wanted to purchase some crypto. So I found a way around that by using this online bank called Revolut right here. All this should be able to find in your app store. Okay, that's my suggestion to you, is to let me get in here. Okay, this is easy to set up. Just connect your regular bank account to this account. Go into the back and connect your account. They'll ask you for, either your bank card or your bank account information. And then you can just add money through this little button here, and it'll go from your bank to here. Then I take the they give you a virtual card and a physical card, and I just use my virtual card with anything online, and I take that and use that to purchase on the exchange. Right here, they ask you for your card, and you just do USDT, however much Tron you want to purchase, and they probably right here TRX is Tron, and you can purchase the amount of Tron that you want to buy with the card. Just use the virtual card in here. Well, you got to sign back in, but you saw the virtual card. I just take the card information off of there, the virtual card, and use it for credit card purchase here. Okay. Then once you do that, you're just going to copy the TRX website, not the website, the address for the coin, and transfer it over to the TRX in the TronLink. You want to set that up, your TronLink. How I do that is, let's see, I ain't done this. I think I changed the app around. I think it's still this thing here. Yeah. Create a wallet. I like to separate any program that I'm in. I like to actually separate it, as you see here, up here, and actually name it. So you see I got the name Daisy, and I can just go right to it. And I know that's separate just for that program. All right. And you can do that by going in this the first little icon up here at the top, and hit create wallet. And you can create separate wallets for any of the programs that you're in, and that will kind of help you keep organized with it. Okay. Just follow the instructions on there. It'll create your wallet up here, and you can go in here and go to your different wallets. You can select that one. With this wallet, with Tron period, has some transaction fees, very low, but you're going to need to have some energy. Okay, is what they call it in this app. For transaction fees. So you're going to need to take some of that Tron. I take like 100 Tron TRX. Let me start saying TRX. That's what you see there. 100 TRX, and you're going to freeze it. And let me show you how to do that. Once you get your Tron transferred over from the exchange or wherever you might have some Tron at, and you get it into this wallet. Okay, you're gonna select the Tron, and then you're going to receive to transfer it over here. You're always going to go find out where you're moving the coins to. That's where you're going to receive. That's where you're going to get the address. Okay, this right here is a token or coin address. Never ever try to type that in or write it in. Always copy and paste it. Okay. When you go back to the let me find a TRX, or let me just use that one, and withdraw. You want to always make sure that the network. Let me show you. For instance, the USDT. Now, TRX is just going to always be on the TRX network, but you always want to make sure the network matches. So the USDT example, they have several different networks you can send the tokens through. You always want to make sure they match on both ends, so that let's just say, for example, this might have a couple of networks to choose from. Okay, you want to make sure you pick the correct network here and the same network here. Now, Tron or TRX uses its own network, so let's see if I can find Tron real quick. Okay, don't have there. Okay, see, there is no choice for Tron or TRX because TRX uses its own Tron network. Okay, a lot of you saw with the USDT. You can send that through the Tron network. Tron was good because it's one of the cheaper networks to send coins through. So if you got a coin that happens to be able to send through the Tron network, that's a good option to pick. Because most of the time it's $1 or less. All right. So you're just gonna hit the withdraw from here. You're sending it over to your TronLink app to your TRX coin, and you're just going to paste here to withdraw that address. And you always want to make sure you double check the first few characters and the last few characters and make sure that they are the same. If you have the last few characters and the first few characters the same, then you probably usually properly have the whole address in there. You don't have to worry about every character. If you copy and paste it and just worry about the first few characters and make sure those are the same, then you're good. Okay. And whatever amount that you purchased, and then you're going to move that over to your TronLink Pro. All right. And once you're over here, you'll have your TronLink, or you'll have your Tron coins in there. And then, like I said, you're going to take you're going to take 100 of those. So make sure you buy extra, whatever you're thinking about. Let's just say it's 1,000 Tron that you want to start this program with. Okay, you want to get some extra Tron for some of these transactional fees that you want to make sure you cover. So if you do 1,000, if you want to do 1,000 Tron for the program, you want to make sure you buy like 1,100 Tron or 1,200 Tron. We want a little extra to take care of these transactions. So what you're gonna do is go to where do they have it here? It should be called. I haven't had to put any in here in a minute. Maybe they're here. Used to be called. Oh, is it vote? No. Wait, was that? What did they change it to here? Oh, it's on the stake. Okay. Now they call it stake. I'm used to staking is a whole different something crypto, and that's what I thought that was. So I guess they call it stake now. They recently changed this TronLink app. So okay, so you're going to go to stake, okay, and here you want to stake them out. Make sure this right here is clicked on energy. Energy is what they call it for the fees. Make sure that is on energy. And like I said, you want to put about 100 Tron TRX in there. Okay. You see that's the same account as your from your TRX, and you just hit stake. Okay. And you can unstake that amount whenever you're done with it. And just click that and do just the opposite to unstake. But you need to stake that for now for your transaction fees. Okay. Once you get that set up, Then you go back out of here, okay? And you are going to copy and paste the referral link that will be in the description, be in that information where the links are and stuff. You have to copy that referral link that I give you for you to get into this program, okay? Once you copy that referral link in the message or in the video descriptions, wherever you're looking from this video from, you want to get that information and get the referral link or the startup link or whatever I named it. I forgot. And you want to go to the DApp address bar in here. That would be this, I guess it would be the second icon right there. Called the Discover icon. You see this is the little one right here. I guess you want to call it the fourth one over. Right there, Discover app. And then you're going to go up here to where is this D.AI.S.Y bar. It says D.AI.SY's names or URL. You click on there, and that's where you're going to paste your referral link. Okay. Now, remember I told you there's some countries where this isn't set up yet. Okay. So if you click in the referral link and you press enter or go or whatever, and you come to this thing right here, that'll tell you that you're probably in one of the countries that this isn't set up in yet. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to overcome that. Okay. So you're going to just exit out of there, right? This is when your VPN comes in. You're going to go to that VPN. Remember I showed you VPNCity. Click on the link. Make sure you set that up. Okay. If you find out that this program isn't in your country yet, and you're going to pick a alternative country. Okay, alternative. Think about countries that are crypto friendly, basically. That's what you need to do. Okay, crypto friendly country. All right. I forgot what I had in there, but usually I pick like Italy or Europe or something like that. Tap to connect. Wait till it turns green. Okay. Go back to your Tron. Put your link back in there. And if everything goes right, let's see what we need to do here. Let me close that out and open it back. Let me try a different place here. Disconnect. Let's try. Who else is crypto friendly? Singapore. Spain. Close that, open it back. See how we do now. And the app, put in your link. And there you go. You just need to find one that is friendly. Pick a country. Okay. If one don't work, close that app totally out. Pick a different one. All right. Then now you're into the Daisy Fund Smart Contract. Let me see. I need to sign in here. All right. Once you're inside here, okay, you can go click around here, set this thing up. But to go and once you check everything out, have everything set up how you like it or whatever, to purchase your membership to earn rewards. Okay. You're going to go and click on these tiers. Okay. And each one, it'll tell you how much each tier is. Okay. So in this crowd function, so you click over here. Okay. That tells you about the fund. But if you're in this crowd function, and the first one you want to do is click on the tier 1. Okay. Now, in tier 1, you can pick the crypto to put into the fund to earn rewards from. You can earn rewards from crypto and earn rewards to Forex. And this is what the welcome would look like when you first start. As you can see, I already contributed into crypto, but this will be what it would look like. Say welcome. Your entry contribution would be $100 worth of TRX. Okay. Tells you the separation of which one to go, and it say contribute to the 2 tier. Okay. And then all you need to do is click on contribute to the tier, and because this is set up through your TronLink Pro app, okay, this is automatically connected to your Tron wallet. So all you got to do is click on the contribute to tier. It takes the $100 worth of TRX connected to your wallet, and away you go. And you just keep on going down to grow your amount of contribution. Just go on down the tiers. Tier 2. Okay. You have to finish each tier. You have to finish contributing into the previous tier before you can move on to the next tier. So as you can see, too early. I need to contribute into tier 1 first. Okay, go back to tier 1. Whereas the crypto side, I'm already into tier 2 on the crypto side. Okay, and you do that so on and so on as you go down. Tier 3, already involved, contributed into tier 3. Each tier will tell you how much is the contribution, and you just hit contribute at the bottom, like it is over here. Well, go back to tier 1, contribute to the tier, and it'll take from your fund. Okay, and that's how you get set up, fund, and purchase your membership for the DAISY project. All right, guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you at the top, to the moon with crypto. Catch y'all. Take care.